Part 2 of fake religion. It has nothing to do with all the human beings that are just innocent believers. The sheep of the religion, there's nothing wrong with them. Even the Orthodox or non-Orthodox, there's nothing wrong. We are not blaming them. The ones who control the religion, the ones who use the religion, the fake religion, and the ones who use it to kill, destroy, and burn their enemies, the ones who use the religion to occupy countries that don't belong to them in the name of God. God didn't choose this. That was their choice. The people who, let's name him by his name, Benjamin Netanyahu and all of his government, these people God has a problem with. Now we should all have a problem with, but not the everyday Jew on the street and in the shops. These people, these are, like most religious people, are misled or blind believers. There's nothing to do with them. We have to unschool the people. But the leaders of this religion, they should. The Buddhists would say they deserve their karma, bitch.